Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this super realistic text effect in Photoshop. Let's jump right in. First, select your text layer and rasterize it. Now go up to Edit Fill. Set the content to black and change the mode to behind. Next, add a layer mask to your text. Hold Alt and click on the mask. This lets us edit it directly. Go to Filter Render Clouds. Then head to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur and set the blur to around 25 pixels. Press Ctrl L to open the levels and tweak the values. Set the black to 80 and the white to about 175. That's going to add some nice depth. Now disable the mask. Go to Filter Lens Blur. Set the source to Layer Mask and increase the radius to 100. Next, go to Edit Fade Lens Blur and bring down the opacity to around 80%. With the text layer selected, hit Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy it. Then Alt click on the mask and press Ctrl V to paste it in. Now fill the text with white. Alright, change the text layer's blend mode to dissolve for that cool grainy texture, and adjust the opacity to your liking. Merge the text layer with your black background. Make it pop just right. Once you're happy with the look, you can now drop in any background image you like. Now, change your text layer's blend mode to linear dodge for that glowing effect. Next, add a few PNG spray textures on new layers, just to add some extra detail and make it look more dynamic. I simply press Ctrl I to invert them, turning the black spray into white. And finally, apply a yellow color overlay to make it pop and bring the whole effect to life. If you want to follow along step by step, I've added the complete Photoshop tutorial script in the video description, so you can check it out anytime. And your realistic text effect is ready to shine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Photoshop tricks. See you in the next one.